everyone, I am Elsa M. Lingaya. For today's video, we will talk about inverse function. Imagine functions are like the dye you use to color eggs. The white egg or X is put in the function blue dye B or X, and the result is blue egg or Y. The inverse function undoes what the functions does. The inverse function of the blue dye is bleach. The bleach will undye the blue egg and make it white. In the same way, the inverse of a given function will undo what the original function did. For example, let's take a look at the square function f x equals x squared. Graphically, the x and y values of a point are switched. The point 4, 7 has an inverse point of 7, 4, and the point -5, 3 has an inverse. If the function y equals gx contains the point, then inverse y equals g raised to the power of -1, x contains the points. The graph of a function and its inverse are mirror images about the line y equals x. Find the inverse of a function. Example number 1. Y equals 6x minus 12. Step 1. Switch x and y. X equals 6y minus 12. Second step is solve for y. X equals 6y minus 12. X plus 12 equals 6y. X plus 12 over 6 equals y. 1 over 6. X plus 2 equals y. Find an inverse of y equals -3x plus 6. Switch x and y. Solve for y. X minus 6 over -3 equals y. The answer is y equals -1 over 3 x plus 2. To find the inverse of a function, first, change the f and x to a y. Second, switch the x and y values. Third, solve the new equation for y. Remember, functions have to pass the vertical lines test.